Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see Kwikset SmartCode 260 troubleshooting, beeping/red flash, not locking, reset and battery fix. Troubleshoot your Kwikset SmartCode 260 by first checking the door alignment and ensuring fresh, correctly oriented batteries are installed. Most lock errors like jams, slow turning, or unresponsive keypads result from installation tension. Recalibrate the lock's orientation by performing a door rehanding process. Step 1. Door rehanding process. It fixes jamming and wrong direction. If your deadbolt is extending or retracting improperly or beeping red errors, the lock has lost its spatial orientation. So ensure the door is open and unlocked, and press the program button once, then press the 0 button once, and then press the lock button once. The deadbolt latch will extend and retract to learn your specific door orientation. Step 2. Physical installation and alignment. Remove the interior cover and loosen the mounting screws by a quarter turn if they feel overly tight. Then check that your strike pocket hole in the door frame is at least 1 inch, roughly 2.54 centimeter deep, and make sure the cable is securely plugged in and tucked neatly away from the motorized flat blade. Step 3. Turnpiece orientation. If the interior turnpiece is difficult to turn or only works when a physical key is inserted, it may have been assembled incorrectly. So remove the interior assembly, and if the latch bolt is currently locked, ensure the turnpiece is vertical, and if it is unlocked, it should be horizontal. Carefully slide the assembly back onto the flat blade. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. Remove the battery pack and press and hold the program button while reinserting the battery pack. And keep holding the button for 30 seconds until you hear a long beep. Then wait for the lock to complete the self-calibration rehandling sequence before testing the keypad. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.